Sobrang hirap na from the previous games sa kayo sa laro nga ngayon. Siyempre credit pa rin kay Farm, kay Coach Koji. And sa mga players nila, talagang gusto rin. Wala naman din sila sigurong pressure na hinahabol bilang nakuha nila yung goal na makapasok na semis. Doon sa part namin talagang ano lang. Happy na nalaban namin despite nung ganong kahirap sa kayong maraming challenges.
Coach, Savvy in this match you scored 30 plus points, and in the final stretch you scored at least 4 points for PLDT. I guess what was just going through your head during that time to help get this win?
I think we've had a pretty tough journey leading up throughout the playoffs, so we really came into this game really wanting it, really wanting to redeem ourselves, and I think just the trust that I have on court with the girls, for everyone to do their roles, for everyone to back each other up and support each other, I think, it's doing it for everyone else at this point, and just kind of finishing it off the season the right way.
Coach, yun nga, chance nyo next game na makuha na yung bronze. Although naging mahirap yung first game, paano nyo yung paghahandaan yung game 2 para makuha na yung bronze?
Sa ganung game, talagang mental game na lang talaga yung mangyayari bilang wala na rin kaming time mag-prepare kasi isang araw lang yung pagitan. So, pipilitin na isiksik sa viewing pero nasa mindset na talaga ng players ulit. Lalo yung mga ganong ka-crucial kanina, sila talaga nag-perform kahit anong mangyari. So, nandito lang ulit kami para mag-guide. Pero hopefully, yun nga, makuha namin yung mga good points and magpabawasan namin yung bad points na nagawa nga.
Savvy, did you find it a challenge to quickly forget everything that happened prior in the semis? And I guess just how did you move on so quick and deliver a big performance right away during the bronze?
I think when you've been in and around sport for so long, it's kind of just the way it is. You don't really try to make yourself forget. You just know it's there and you accept it and you just kind of move on. And like I said earlier, going into this game, we just really wanted to redeem ourselves. So I'm just glad that, we fought all the way through the end, and this is what transpires when you're able to, move on from those tough games and kind of pull together.
Coach Rod, after po nung semis loss sa Farm Fresh, ano po yung nakita niyong area na pinakakailangan nyo ayusin or baguhin today para makuha nga po din naman?
Technically marami. Pero kahit marami yon, nasa players pa rin talaga kung mag-respond sila dun sa challenge ng pag-a-adjust. Yun nga, malaking part din talaga na sobrang technical din ni Farm. So yun talaga yung unang-unang kailangan sabayan. Plus yung mga players nila na mahirap talagang pigilan. So yung mga in-adjust today, lumabas naman kahit pa paano. Pero yun nga, kailangan pang pukpukin kasi laging ganito kahirap yung laro.